Look at me. It's another great day here in New York City. Actually, it's one of the few great days we've had in a while. It's actually kind of cold out. I'm wearing my orange jacket. And I'm going to tell you something really good right now. No, it's not that it's past 4 o'clock. No, it's not that the markets are closed. But it's that I'm actually listening to you guys following me on Twitter. You guys have told me, hey James, it's happy hour. Where's your drink? Well, guess what, guys? Bottoms up. U.S. stocks, they were mostly down this afternoon as investors continued to deal with a mixed bag of earnings. Now, to start the day, investors welcomed initial jobless claims falling by 26,000 to 319,000 last week. Also leading an early rise was China's exports and imports, both rising in April on the year and beating expectations for a dip in both. And to no surprise, the European Central Bank held its primary interest rate at record lows, with ECB President Mario Draghi saying that the euro was too strong and affecting inflation. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average up as much as 104 points and last up 0.4%, even after topping its record finish set back on April 30th. After climbing within 2 points of its record close, the S&P 500 little changed, with telecommunications faring the best. And after clearing its initial losses, the Nasdaq still trading in a tight range. Now, for every 3 stocks rising, more than 4 fell over at the New York Stock Exchange. And let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this volatile and great day of a trading session. And lastly, we conclude on the corporate front as Priceline Group gained after the online travel company reported a 36% increase in quarterly profit. And Tesla Motors, that declined after the electric car maker's second quarter outlook delivered late Wednesday proved disappointing to some. So there you have it. Kick back, relax. If you're in New York City, I guess go out for a little bit. Make sure you wear your raincoat. And that's right, just like my viewers kept saying, and I had to block the logo for corporate reasons. Have yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all in the morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.